Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Life. I'm Sarah, and today I'll share with you 100 everyday English phrases that will make your English sound natural, fun, and fluent. I won't just list them, I'll use them in little stories and examples so you really feel how they work. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's dive in. Let's start with greetings and casual conversation. Phrase 1 is, "How's it going?" You can say, "Hey, how's it going?" "Pretty good, just busy." Phrase 2, "What's up?" "What's up?" "Not much, just chilling." Phrase 3, "Long time no see." "Wow, long time no see. How have you been?" Phrase 4, "How have you been?" "I've been fine, just a little tired." Phrase 5, "Nice to see you." "Nice to see you again. Always a pleasure." Phrase 6, "I'm just chilling." "Nothing special tonight, I'm just chilling." Phrase 7, "Hang out." "Do you want to hang out this weekend?" Phrase 8, "Grab a bite." "I'm starving, let's grab a bite." Phrase 9, "Catch up." "Let's grab coffee and catch up soon." And phrase 10, "Take it easy." Don't stress, just take it easy. Now let's move to daily life phrases. Number 11, call it a day. We've worked enough, let's call it a day. 12, take a break. I need to take a break after 3 hours of editing. 13, get things done. I just need to get things done today. 14, I'm swamped. Sorry, I'm swamped with work. 15, let's get down to business. Okay, team, let's get down to business. 16, run errands. This weekend, I have to run errands. 17, pick up. Can you pick up some milk on your way home? 18, in a hurry. Sorry, I'm in a hurry right now. 19, just in case. Bring an umbrella just in case. And 20, on the go. I've been on the go all week. Let's talk about staying connected. Phrase 21, keep in touch. Even if you move, let's keep in touch. 22, catch up. We need to catch up soon. 23, long time no see. It's been forever. Long time no see. 24, what's up? What's up? Just relaxing. 25, hang out. Let's hang out this weekend. 26, grab a bite. Let's grab a bite after work. 27, take it easy. Take it easy, you'll be fine. 28, call it a night. It's late, let's call it a night. 29, hit the hay. I'm exhausted. Time to hit the hay. And 30, I'm beat. After that workout, I'm beat. Next up, useful expressions for everyday situations. 31, piece of cake. That test was a piece of cake. 32, break the ice. I told a joke to break the ice. 33, get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling on this project. 34, settle down. Okay, let's settle down and focus. 35, make the most of. Let's make the most of this sunny day. 36, out of order. The printer is out of order again. 37, running late. Sorry, I'm running late. 38, hold on a second. Hold on a second, let me check. 39, it slipped my mind. Sorry, it slipped my mind. And 40, I'm all ears. Tell me your idea. I'm all ears. Now let's add more flavor. 41, you made my day. Thanks for the message. You really made my day. 42, better late than never. He finally arrived. Better late than never. 43, It's not a big deal. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. 44. You nailed it. Great job on your presentation. You nailed it. 45. I can't make it. Sorry, I can't make it to dinner tonight. 46. It's up to you. Where should we eat? It's up to you. 47. Take your time. No rush, take your time. 48. Fingers crossed. Big exam tomorrow, fingers crossed. 49. Good to know. Oh, that's good to know, thanks. And 50. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that decision. Let's keep going strong. 51. Sounds good. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. 52. That works for me. Lunch tomorrow? That works for me. 53. No worries. Sorry I'm late. No worries. 54. Take care. All right. See you later. Take care. 55. By the way, did you finish the report? 56. Kind of. Do you like sushi? Kind of. 57. You know what I mean. It was fun, but tiring. You know what I mean? 58. For sure. Will you be there? For sure. 59. Why not? Should we try the new cafe? Why not? And 60. I guess so. Do you want to join? I guess so. Next section. Work and productivity. 61. Let's wrap it up. It's getting late. Let's wrap it up. 62. Get back to me. Check the details and get back to me. 63. In the loop. Keep me in the loop about the updates. 64. On the same page. Let's make sure we're on the same page. 65. Think outside the box. We need fresh ideas. Think outside the box. 66. At the end of the day, health is what matters. 67. Go the extra mile. She always goes the extra mile at work. 68. Hit the ground running. We need to hit the ground running on this project. 69. Back to square one. The plan failed, so we're back to square one. And 70. Keep it up. You're doing great. Keep it up. We're getting close. 71. Call the shots. She's the manager. She calls the shots. 72. In charge. I'm in charge of the event. 73. In the long run. In the long run, it will pay off. 74. On time. He's always on time. 75. Ahead of schedule. We finished ahead of schedule. 76. Behind schedule. We're behind schedule. Let's hurry. 77. Last but not least. Last but not least, remember to smile. 78. That's a wrap. All right, team, that's a wrap. 79. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for more episodes. And 80. See you next time. That's all for today. See you next time. But wait, we still have 20 more phrases. 81. Hang in there. Don't give up. Hang in there. 82. You never know. Bring a jacket. You never know. 83. It is what it is. We can't change it. It is what it is. 84. Give it a shot. I've never tried yoga, but I'll give it a shot. 85. Better safe than sorry. Take the charger. Better safe than sorry. 86. Keep an eye on. Can you keep an eye on my bag? 87. Make yourself at home. Welcome. Please, make yourself at home. 88. Out of the blue. She called me out of the blue. 89. Under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather today. And 90, on cloud 9. She's been on cloud 9 since the wedding. And finally, our last 10. 91, in no time. Don't worry, it'll be done in no time. 92, in the nick of time. I arrived in the nick of time. 93, rule of thumb. A good rule of thumb is to save money. 94, once in a while. I go hiking once in a while. 95, from scratch. We built the project from scratch. 96, in hot water. He's in hot water for missing the deadline. 97, hit the road. It's late, let's hit the road. 98, call off. They had to call off the meeting. 99, pull it off. I didn't think I could do it, but I pulled it off. And phrase 100. That's the spirit. You're ready to learn. That's the spirit. And that's it. 100 everyday English phrases to boost your conversations. Listen again, practice out loud, and soon you'll be using these phrases naturally. Thanks for tuning in to Daily English Life. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning.